Hey, what's up guys? RSG here from Purcast 9. And right here today, I've got with me the latest from portable speakers from the house of boAt. This is the boAt Stone 700. Now this is so new and it's a fresh arrival, so you will not find this on boAt's official website right now, but they'll soon update it. So I got myself this as soon as I found this being listed on Amazon. So I went ahead, got myself one, and delivery was awesome as always from Amazon. So I'm going to open this up, we're going to do an unboxing and maybe do a sound test. But this is not a review because I got a review once. I have used it thoroughly like a everyday consumer, and then I'm going to give you my final verdict as to whether you should buy this or not. But truth be told, the reason I think this is going to be good is because I have used the boAt Stone 600, and I'll link the description to that video, and you should watch that, my review of the boAt Stone 600. And I was so impressed by that I went ahead and got myself the boAt Stone 700 as well. So without further ado, let's open this up. Okay, so here we have it, the boAt Stone 700. I'm quickly going to remove this sticker right here so you can have a better look. Okay, so that's the box. Plug into Nirvana, plug into Ecstasy, plug into Memories. Okay, so let's quickly do a spec check. So it's got a 10 watt stereo speaker with extra powerful bass, IPX6 water resistant, not waterproof, shockproof silicone enclosure for protection just like the boAt Stone 600, embedded microphone for conference calls, incredible 2000 milliamp battery backup, and up to 8 hours of non-stop music playback. Okay, all said and done. Anything else? 10 watts stereo speaker. Okay, rugged design. Yep. So let's ooh, okay. So we've got some small, not a booklet really. Thank you for purchasing. Okay, so in case any of you are wondering that this might be some fake, this might not be from boAt, so I've got it right here. So I don't know if you can see it. So it says, thank you for purchasing the boAt Stone 700. Anyway, I'll keep that to the side. What's inside? Okay, we don't need the user manual. Okay, come to Papa. So let's just keep the speaker to the side for a second. We've got some warranty. So I've got many questions about people asking what about claiming warranty. So they give you this. So for warranty claims, contact us at, and they give you a number and they give you the email address. So this product comes with best in industry 1 year manufacturer warranty. Okay, so I think you should keep that. We have our usual USB to micro USB charging cable. We've got an EP jack 3.5mm, 3.5mm. So from an external source you can plug it in and we'll play it. Okay, and we've got a buckle. So I think you can put that to the side here and attach it to whatever, your bag or whatever that is. So enough is enough. Let's look at this. Whoa. Okay, right off the bat, the first thing I'm noticing is that this feels much more rugged, much more solid than the boAt Stone 600. I mean, the boAt Stone 600 feels like a female compared to what I'm holding in my hand right now. This has got weight to it, a substantial amount of weight to it. It's got that stealthy look. So it's got a grill, It's got a double grill actually. So let me just put it, yeah, so as you can see, so this part is a mesh and this is solid metal grill on top. This is fiber or plastic, what do you want to call it. We've got some screws here, the boAt branding right here, and over here we have the control, so that's for powering on. That's the Bluetooth button, I think that's the for pairing. That is play and pause button, and for answering and ending calls, volume down, volume up, and really tactile buttons, really clicky. You guys want to close up? So yeah, here it is. Alrighty. So there you go. Chunky, really chunky buttons. The other side just has solid silicone padding. So, you know, this feels like it literally feels like a grenade, a big one at that, and it feels like you could take this to war, you know. So if you're ever being attacked by someone, you can throw this back at them as a weapon. Don't do that. But yeah, this feels that solid. Okay, so very chunky and clicky buttons on the top. On the bottom, just solid silicone padding. On this side, we have the hook or a loop here, made of solid metal. And on the other side, you have the well-protected USB port, the USB port and the line in. So I think you open it like this. Very nice sealing there, absolutely water sealed. So no water is going to get in there. So you've got a micro USB port right here and the aux port over here. It's got a flap, and that's also very chunky, and yeah, very nice protection all around. Okay, so I think we'll just see if it's got some power. So I think I'm supposed to I'm not seeing, by the way, I'm not seeing any LED indicator. Like the boAt Stone 600 had an LED indicator inside the grill, and I'm guessing there is an LED indicator right here near the power button. So let's long press this.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Whoa. Okay, so unlike the boAt Stone 600, this says a lot of things. Okay, and it's blinking. So let me just try and pair it really quickly. Let's go to Bluetooth. So I don't know if I'm supposed to, okay, boAt Stone 700 right there. Let's pair it.
You're now connected to boAt Stone 700.
Okay, so this does a lot of talking, unlike the boAt Stone 600. And I don't know if you're at full volume, so let's just play a track. Okay, this has got to be a copyright-free music, so I'm going to play one of my favorites. Let's just see. Okay. Okay, that's pretty low. Okay, so a few quick, like I said, guys, this is not a review, but a quick impression there. The sound is loud. Okay, the sound is loud, no doubt about that. Connection seemed pretty flawless and easy. but I feel like compared to the boAt Stone 600, it lacked a bit of bass. Now that's my opinion, and I am really uh, lusty for bass. So I always look for bass a lot, but not cheap bass. I like well-rounded, undistorted bass, and this seemed to lack that a little bit. I don't know if I can make that up by playing around with the equalizer on my phone. So I'm not sure. So now I'm going to just do one more song, and I'm going to see if they fire the sound from both the sides. And I'm also going to check what this Bluetooth button does. So let's play another track. Quick side note there, which I just realized. I put this to my ear. The side which has the branding on it has got, I think, they've got the two the drivers inside. So these produce your highs and mids mainly. On the other side, I don't know, but it seems like the lows or the bass notes are coming out from the other end, which does not have the branding. So that's just an observation I made right now. So this part handles the highs and the mids, this part lows. So ideally you shouldn't keep your phone like this. Your speaker like this. Okay, it'll be better if you either keep it like this so it fires from both the sides, or you keep it standing, so more or less like a 360-degree sound. Although these two sides do not produce any sound. It's just firing from these two grilled sides. So okay, that's my impression. So I'm going to use this for a few days now, and even do a kind of a water test to make sure that this is worthy of that IPX6 water resistance. And I think the more I use this, the more a burn-in happens into these drivers inside. They'll start to sound better, because I feel personally that like all speakers, like headphones, they start to sound better and better the more you use them, you know. So this is just fresh out of the box, and I have not seen a single review on YouTube with this. I'm the first one to review this. So I've just got this. It doesn't come as cheap as the boAt Stone 600 did. It is a bit expensive. So I'm going to put this to the test and find out why it's more expensive than the boAt Stone 600, and whether this is worth an upgrade, or if you haven't got the boAt Stone 600, should you get this, the boAt Stone 700, or should you go for the cheaper boAt Stone 600? So leave that to me. I will let you guys know. I will do a complete review and give you my feedback on this, and after that you can decide whether you want to buy it or not. So as of now, this has been my first hands-on and impressions of the boAt Stone 600. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys with the review very soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss that. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs down if you did not like it. I love you guys nonetheless. Subscribe to PureCast9 today, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.